Now the couple that was under the table are now arrived. Seating for 12. Yeah, they're keeping their heads towards us. Oh, we got swifts out, just flew over.
So
yeah, just wait till all their little kids show up.
yeah.
Oh, squirrels are moving in the tree.
Three males and two females.
Mm-hmm.
Is that a male or female on the fence?
That, I think, is a male.
Okay. We're just getting them used to us this spring.
Yeah, we haven't had a lot of FaceTime with them yet, but they're getting better.
Yeah.
Oh, we got another one, I think. No, maybe not. Thought I heard another one. Got to move those trash cans, though, because...
Oh, the dust bowl is behind them.
yeah, we can't see them in the dust bowl. Little fuzzy butt right there in the middle tree.
Oh yeah. We've got two little squirrels up in the tree. I'm not gonna zoom in because they're little guys. And I'm afraid I'm gonna spook the quail. I don't even know if this is a good shot of them or not. I'm gonna move a little bit.
Oh, little bitty squirrel. Oh, damn it. He was on top of the fence.
Oh, I'm sorry.
He can't be more than 6-7 inches long total.
These are California quail. We usually have about close to 100 each year. And they've all paired off. So we're just waiting for them to produce eggs. Oh, we've got two more coming in.
Yep.
They're taking their time.
She'll see everybody at the buffet. She'll start running. There you go, see?
Yeah, I spooked the ones
Come on,
over here.
girlfriend, buffet's open. Oh, these guys, I scared them. Sorry.
Oh, I might have. I'm just trying to get them running.
Guido. There you go, boys. Come on back.
So explain why you call them Guidos.
A picture I saw of World War II of Mussolini in a three-piece gray suit that had the lines and colors of these birds, and also the soldiers of the Italian army in the North African campaign in World War II had pith helmets with big fluffy feathers on top.
Gotcha.
So they're Guidos.
So yes, so when I'm filming and I call the quail Guidos, that's what I mean. It's not being racist, it's just how they look.
Just
like
a joke.
The helmets in World War II and
Mussolini in a suit.
Mussolini in a suit. So that's the story behind our quail. You'll hear me call them
Guidos. Back.
Yeah, I can't get him though.
No, he's going right now.
Oh, there he goes. I call them Guides because that's what I'm used to now.
Slowly curve over your shoulder.
Oh, and we've got... Oh, he went away. We had a robin up there, a beautiful big robin.
There, up in the tree.
Up in the tree. I can't. I've got it on Zoom, so I'm not seeing it right now. Anyway, I'm going to sign off. Please like, share, and subscribe if you'd like.